Hi there, Dr. Bell here, and we are going to explore the physical development of the middle childhood child or the elementary child. And physical development, just like in infant toddler and in preschool, it involves the large motor, the fine motor, and then the sensory awareness. Now, because of the physical drive that they have, elementary age children tend to enjoy competitive type games and lots of active games. Now, there are gender differences in physical development of elementary age children, but remember that that's not true for every individual child. So typically, boys tend to be engaged in more active type play and rough and tumble type play and competitive active games. Girls tend to engage in that kind of activity less. Again, typically speaking, as a group. However, not true for every individual child, so it's important for teachers to keep that in mind. Physical development is really important in the elementary age. It gets left out a lot. And we have a responsibility as a teacher to teach the whole child, even when they're in elementary school. So anytime you incorporate movement, you're doing your students a favor and yourself a favor, especially gross motor movement. We also have to think about the brain and how it's developing at this stage. So keep that in mind. Lots of cross midline activities and lots of big body movements for the children in the elementary age too. I have had a lot of teachers or student teachers rather, put on their lesson plans that they are supporting movement and kinesthetic learning because they're writing with pencils, and that's fine motor development. And that's not really what I'm talking about when I say incorporating movement. You want all the learning modalities used. Having the children, for example, when you're teaching a whole group lesson, to line up boys and girls and then ask, let's say there are 10 girls and 10 boys, ask 2 to step away, 2 girls and 2 boys. Now ask how many there are, and they'll hop away, or 3 jump up and down, and you build math problems that way. That's the kind of thing I'm really talking about, is really incorporating movement into your teaching. So I hope you get a lot out of this section. For the most part, you're going to read view some PowerPoints and read some articles or watch a little video. But remember to continue to read your textbook.